Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am up with a new video in which we are going to make a tree using watercolors. In watercolors we use light tone first and gradually we move towards the darker ones. We will use yellow color first and we have to just dab the brush so that the strokes of leaves are prominent. The topmost part of tree will always be in lighter shade as it totally depends on the light's direction. Once I am done with the yellow tone, I will mix the two shades, light green plus yellow to give the warm effect, and similarly I will just tap the brush to give the effect of leaves. Now here I am mixing the two green shades. As I told you, as we move downward the tones will get darker. Here I am mixing the dark green and Persian blue color to give depth to the painting. I hope this video would be helpful to you. For more such videos or tutorials, do like, comment and share my channel. Thank you so much for watching.